How pretty is that? So much fog. Not exactly the ideal driving condition, but I'm so excited for today. Yo, what is up guys? Today we are taking the Galant out on a cruise with Built to Race, which is a little car club founded by Alex. And along with us, we're bringing Mr. Non-Car Guy, aka Nicholas Zappia, who you guys have met before. Hi everyone. How are you feeling about today, Nick? You've never been on a cruise with all these steezy ass cars.
I'm expecting a nice drive. All the guys, all the people there were really nice. So yeah, hopefully get better acquainted with the car community. How about yourself? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, man. It's been a very long time since I've taken the Galant out on a proper cruise. There's like no time these days, and with the Integra being the daily, this thing rarely sees the outside of my garage. But so, you know, moments like these, I just appreciate them, and, you know, big ups to Alex and the rest of the admin group over at Built to Race for throwing this together and providing us this awesome opportunity.
Got it.
Got it. Where to park? Where to park? It's actually an issue. The big issue with like all these cars rocking up to a single petrol station is that like it's really awkward in terms of parking, especially with like the general public being here too. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling out this maneuver where I pretend I'm gonna fill up, but no, I'm just using it as a Leander, everybody. We've all met him before.
Yeah.
Turbo Smart.
Yeah.
Leander also installed a Turbo Smart boost gauge into his Evo, so yeah, it's good. Nick, you should have brought the Impreza.
Should have.
Yeah, it's showing up some of these kids how it's done.
It would have been great.
I don't think these guys know what wheel gap is. Could have showed them a thing or two.
I invented that.
Alright guys, this is Ken. You'll recognize him by his incredibly amazing t-shirt. A bold statement. So tell us what you're driving, man.
This is a FK8 Honda Civic Type R, and this is the facelift model 2020, manufactured year 2021.
Hell yeah. And I heard you had a bit of a wait before this arrived.
Yeah, I waited 7 months. I ordered this back in November.
7 months, guys. Imagine waiting that long for a car. This man has patience, but it's paid off, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, big fan of it?
Very big fan.
Nice. I just love, look at that, Brembos. There's something so nice about seeing big fat red Brembos on a car like this. Oh, you know what else has big fat red Brembos? Delicious. Alright everyone, so this is Alex, and Alex is the founder of Built to Race, which is the little group we're with here today.
Yeah.
So do you want to tell us a little bit about why you started Built to Race?
Definitely, yeah. So we love going to car meets, but a lot of them were static. And we love to obviously meet up, look at the cars, but also go on nice drives. We love some good corners, so we just started our own. And we felt like we wanted a better variety of cars.
Yeah.
And we wanted also to attract like the right owners as well. Passionate, positive, no hate, that kind of thing.
Mate.
Yep.
I don't know, like I've been on a few cruises, and one thing I love is that like whole positivity and that inclusive community. I don't know, I feel as if there's a lot of toxicity in the car community at times, and being so broad, but that's why it's awesome to find gems like Built to Race, which, you know, harbour that kind of really nice inclusive space where everyone can let their passions thrive.
And a lot of the members I met out on the road, and we've just stopped and I said, hey, do you want to join up?
Yeah,
so we might have had some fun in our cars and then pulled over and had a chat. So Travis, for example, in the GDR.
And that's how you met Travis?
That's how we met down a really narrow road, and I said, do you want to join Built to Race? And he's come for every cruise.
There you go, man. That's so cool. The friendships that come out of it.
It's amazing.
So good.
That instant bond you have with car people is something that I'm sure you can find in other places, but it is pretty special.
Yeah, it's rare, right? Tell us a bit about what you're driving.
I just recently bought a 2013 Lotus XZ S.
My goodness.
This is a V6. Camry motor. With a supercharger.
Oh my goodness.
1100 kilos, 350 horsepower, 400 newton meters. The roof's 1.3 metres off the ground, so getting in and out for big people is a bit difficult. But just the feeling of it. I haven't exploited the car's abilities, but just driving normally, even to here, it's just lovely.
Oh, mate, that's how you know you've bought the right car.
Yeah, exactly.
When it inspires that sense of emotion.
It hits you in the feels. That's what happened the other week. I was like, wow. It's funny we get emotional about it.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy you can get attached to a piece of metal, but guys, it happens.
So if anyone's interested, it's built the number 2 race, and you can just sort of add yourself, answer the questions, and then if you want to come along for awesome drives, just like today to Marysville,
that's
join
it.
up, and
I'll link down in the description. But be sure to follow, guys, and hopefully we can catch some action in the Lotus. All right, so Mr. Car Guy over here claims to know what all of these cars are. First one, black one over there.
That is a Ford. Ford Fiesta, but it's like a dark Fiesta. It's like we're at a German rave.
Oh, okay, yeah. So you're going for, like, Nick doesn't really care about the model name or number.
I'm giving you the energy that it's
the
giving
essence. Me. This is Okay, what about the yellow one?
I've learned today that Lotuses are British, apparently.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And British people like mustard.
That explains the yellow.
Lotus mustard. That is a Golf Tata.
Oh.
The R stands for ready, because I'm ready to tell you that this is a
damn.
Mitsubishi Lancer.
What a segue, mate.
Some description.
It's blue. It's blue, yeah.
And next to it is the red pill.
Red pill, okay. Oh yeah, blue pill, red pill. That's pretty cool.
I know.
Bit of Matrix, yeah. What's this?
This is a Nissan GTR.
Okay, yeah. That would have been really difficult to tell what that is.
It was. I struggled.
Yeah, like you wouldn't have a clue.
I've got my contacts in today, so
that's good to know.
This next one. It's a Hyundai. Is it a Hyundai?
Yeah, I don't know, to be honest.
It's a very nice though.
I love the colour.
Next one is a Mitsubishi. P8 reads Schnitty. And then the Japanese above that, I think that means chicken karage.
Oh yeah, it's a
translation.
And what do we have next to that?
That is that's a Ford Fiesta.
Yeah.
Again, it's one of the spicy ones though, with the turbo, 1.5 litre, and it has the bloody the fenders.
Yeah.
They came with the car, the gentleman was saying earlier.
If
I were to contrast it with the other Fiesta over there, I'd say that's more of like a day party.
Yeah. Okay.
Everyone's in white linen.
Yeah. Champagne?
It's just Pinot Grigio being served.
Okay. Yeah.
Just like Pinot Grigio on tap. I tell you what, the acid of the Pinot Grigio would really cut through the kind of that fried quality of the Karage.
Far out, mate.
And so I think that it's really just these two cars together is a real symbol of international unity. Cars bring people together. If that's one thing we've learned today already.
Looks like we're mobilising Autobots roll out. Oh my god. Oh, did you hear that flutter?
There's something scraping.
Oh, look at the fog, it's beautiful.
I don't really think any of the cars here, with the exception of perhaps like the Lotus, obviously, like someone like me was driving on the road, you'd like, and like I didn't know cars, you wouldn't double take, you wouldn't.
Yeah.
Like they're all pretty surreptitious.
Yeah.
You have arrived.
Nice. Put your hand through my twin loop, Nick. we've broken away from the main group for a bit now. Yeah, we're kind of just late to meet up with the rest of the group, so that's what the go is. Oh, okay. Oh, mate. Oh, holy shit.
How did that happen?
I guess I just went and turned around.
We're still 30 minutes to our destination.
I know. Alright, gang. Whoa, what a day. We didn't end up driving as much as I thought we did. Only did like 250 kilometers in total. And unfortunately we did split off from the main group around halfway through. Yeah, we just kind of messed up a little. And then, you know, by the time we were at Mount Donner, there is no reception and we couldn't call anyone. So it was still good though. We were with Ian and Harley, and so we had our own little mini cruise through the hills and the nice little twisties of Donaubourg. So that was sick. It was awesome. I got to drive the Galant, and a massive thank you to Alex and everyone else involved in organizing it. With that being said, what did you think, Mr. Non-Car Guy?
Yeah, it was a great throw it to me again.
With that being said, what do you think, Mr. Non-Car Guy?
Yeah, it was a really good experience, a really good first cruise. One thing that as a non-car guy that really stood out to me was that how everyone who knows cars and loves and lives and breathes cars just kind of speaks the same language. You guys can kind of get talking about any facet of whether it's car culture or particular mods. It was really really fun to engage with that and to see and to learn a lot along the way. And as you said, we got to travel some really nice roads and yeah, get better acquainted with the hills up there. It was lovely. Big fan.
There you go. I think that was a success. And I think next time we'll try and take Nick over here on a little more spirited of a drive too and see what his reaction is to that. So hopefully we'll get to do that again soon. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you later. Oh, he's so cute. Well done.
Teabag string in my mouth.
You say you've got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you've got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.